hope things are going well and you realise you are not alone. If you are doing well, then I want to congratulate you. I know it's not easy. It requires a huge effort sometimes to step up and change your lifestyle. If you haven't really got to grips with it yet, then I would just like to encourage you. This story is about the rewards that can come from changing your lifestyle. I know it can be a challenge, but we're here to encourage you.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I got type 2 diabetes and I was diagnosed in August last year.
I'm Tony and I was diagnosed something like 7 years ago.
I don't class myself as having an illness. I've just got diabetic. I'm just diabetic, and I just eat more healthier and exercise. I don't want to go on tablets and I don't want to go on insulin, so I'm trying to lose the weight and exercise, so I won't have to go on any tablets. Since I've been diabetic, I make sure that our portion sizes are smaller and we eat more healthier, don't we?
We eat healthier.
But before, I was just giving whatever I was eating. When his sugars used to be up the wall, so now he's on insulin.
I know for a fact I've come from like the older school where if you've got food in front of you, you eat it, you don't question it, and whatever's on your plate you finish, and which has led me to where I am.
I've been on the expert course, which I found really interesting because I eat a lot of carbohydrates, a lot of pasta and rices, and bread, potatoes. Of course, it's a no-no now, isn't it? You can eat them, but I go for half a loaf a day. Big meals as well. No. Very big meals.
The thing I find the most difficult is the foods with the hidden sugar. That you think you're eating healthy, you take your sugars, they're through the roof, and you're thinking, well, I've eaten all the right foods. But then you start looking at the packaging, and the packaging right on the bottom in very small print, it's hidden away saying sugar. And that I find so annoying.
Since I was diagnosed in August, I've lost nearly 4 stone, and I go to the gym 3 times a week with my daughter. I get a hype after I've been to the gym, and you know, I feel good about myself, and because I'm losing loads of weight, I can get trendy clothes now, which is lovely.
The first thing I say to anybody anyway who's just newly diagnosed as a diabetic, don't panic, it's not the end of the world. It takes people years to get as big as I am. It's going to take years to get slim again. You have to get new habits, new ideas, and you have to get your head around it, and that takes time. You start off slow. If you're losing a pound every now and then, you're losing a pound. As long as that pound doesn't go back on, it's a result. If you keep that pound off and another couple of months you lose another pound, you've lost 2 pounds. It's the way the weight went on. The weight didn't go on 10 pound in one lump. It went on a couple of ounces here, a pound there, and that's the way it's got to come off.